Hello, my name is Karen Ortega, and I am going to explain you my mind map according relevant aspects of Unit 2. So for number 1 is comparative study of the use of ICT in English teaching learning processes. So it is to refer the use of technology in different contexts and fields. For example, cultural and economic, in this case academic for medical and non-medical universities or any area of knowledge. So for education, for example, workplace or in life, the idea is to improve skills. To improve skills and for students language, gaining knowledge through communication mediums, for example, computer, mobile phone, internet, etc., to have higher education, in this case, um, higher education with creative and interactive activities because people enjoy different skills, different benefits under number conditions, and they have opportunities for repetition and endless patience. Finally, it is also has some problems to use it, for example, in software and hardware. So, number 2, usage of information and communication technology in teaching English. It is used to apply in real time in scenarios where there is a relationship and communication between teachers and students to integrate different skills. So through digital resources such as multimedia and internet, cell phones, satellite technologies, through software too, exams, electronic textbooks, information sites, etc., to bring you the opportunities to study with entertainment and motivation to learn foreign languages. ICT has more easily access new in the real area. So that is important um, that the internet to continue using technology tools, possible face-to-face or virtual training, and facilitates the adoption of technology that promotes acceleration of learning processes through using browsers, in this case browsers. Um, so for search engines and social media, ICT allows to show creative and interactive activities through Microsoft Office software packages, for example, PowerPoint, Excel. In this case, for example, PowerPoint, Excel, Publisher, and others to enrich knowledge, increasing interest, and others to enrich knowledge, increased interest, and efficiency of students in a foreign language. Thank you so much.